when it feels like your inner walls are closing in. Unplug. Let go. Take off all the layers of yourself that you hide behind. Release. Forget yesterday. The day is done. Forget tomorrow. It isn't here yet. Sink yourself deeply into the infinite waters of this present moment. Let go. Release all you've been holding on to, all that no longer serves you, and breathe. Just breathe. There's nothing that you need right now. This moment is complete. Feel it through your fingers and your toes. Let the freedom of this moment wash over you. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just be here. Now. Thank you.